bet you're wondering how I knew about your plans to make me blue with some other girl that you knew before. Between two of us, you know I love you more. It took me by surprise, I must say, when I found out yesterday. Don't you know that I heard it through the grapevine? Not much longer would you be mine. Oh, I heard it through the
перчатки ваши деревянные.
I'm just about to lose my mind, honey, honey, yeah. I know I ain't supposed to cry, but there's tears I can't hold inside. Losing you would end my life, you see, 'cause you mean that much to me. You could have told me yourself that you love someone else. Instead I heard through the grapevine. Not much longer would you be mine. Oh, I heard through the grapevine. I'm just about to lose my mind, honey, honey, yeah. People say believe half what you see, and of what you hear. I can't help being confused. If it's true, please tell me, dear. Do you plan to let me go for another girl you loved before? Don't you know that I heard it through the grapevine? Not much longer would you be mine. Oh, I heard it through the grapevine. And I'm just about to lose